Take a ride in the 2017 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless start, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, power door locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.